Hey kids, Flexing Teacher Weber here. I just want to do a couple more questions on solving equations by multiplication. I'll do the last two examples that I gave you in your notes. I'm going to flip over to my whiteboard. So right here, I had negative 88 equals W over 11. Now this time the variable's on the other side of the equal sign, but we still do everything the same. W divided by 11, you do the opposite of that, which is to multiply by 11. You do use the parentheses to show that, and you do that right beside the variable. If I multiply this side by 11, I do the other side by 11. So multiply both sides by 11. Then work them out and keep everything on the proper side of the equal sign. So negative 88 times 11 works out to negative 968. And W divided by 11, when I multiply that by 11, I'm left with W because these two sort of cancel out. And there's your answer, negative 968 equals W. And remember, I could think of this as 1W, but that's also the same as just W. Moving on over to the fourth example. This time again, the variable's on the other side of the equal sign, so I look at that variable, it's divided by negative 5, so I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to multiply by negative 5. And if I do it on that side, I do it on that side. And when I do negative 16 times negative 5, I get positive 80. And then negative 5 divided by negative 5 cancels out, and I'm just left with my x. Or remember, that can also be 1x, which is exactly what I want to get because 1x is the same as x. And there's your answer. Solving equations by multiplication, it's the same process every time. Just a few little tricks that you have to remember. I'm actually going to show you one more question because I think some questions will come up on the slow skier assignment that I gave you. So I'm going to do one more video that just shows a couple of things from the assignment I gave you today, but hopefully that helps you get going. I'll talk to you soon. Weber out.